I'm just kidding, of course. I don't do that kind of stuff on this channel. But I am in this position for a reason. I recently did an Instagram post and a blog post on my website, simplecareproducts.com, or my Instagram, simplecaresteph. But I recently did a post on 5 yoga poses that can help you go back to sleep. Hello. And now I'm not talking about yoga poses that you do before bed or throughout the day to get you tired or kind of unwind. These are poses that, not really yoga poses, this is more kind of a yoga inspired poses, more for when you wake up in the middle of the night and you want to go back to sleep without doing a whole lot of movement. And the reason that this is important to me is because I have said before, I have insomnia. So I struggle with chronic insomnia. I have a lot of other videos about that if you want to know more, but basically waking up and trying to go back to sleep is pretty much a daily thing for me. So I always am kind of on the lookout for things that I can try to do to help myself go back to sleep easier instead of taking 3 hours. So I'm going to just kind of do a quick demonstration of these poses. It's going to be just a lot easier for me to show you than sit here and try to describe them. If you would like a description, you can check out my blog on simplecareproducts.com because it's all written out there. So I just have 5 yoga poses today. Again, this is kind of yoga inspired poses. This is not, I'm not trying to do yoga at 2 a.m. when I'm trying to go back to sleep. So this is not the sort of thing where you're exerting a lot of energy, or at least for me, you do you. This is more just getting myself into these comfortable positions that are meant to relax the body and calm anxiety and just kind of help encourage your body to rest. So let's just get into it. Okay guys, the first pose I'm going to be showing you today is one that I'm sure you've done before if you've ever done yoga. Going to be getting yourself into child's pose. This is a pretty basic, easy pose. You just want to kind of position yourself face down with your legs tucked under you, basically like you're in the fetal position. Put your knees where they're comfortable. Generally that's going to be kind of apart with your body sort of falling and relaxing in between your legs. Try to get your big toes touching if you can. If not, don't worry about it. And then you can relax your arms by your side or rest them above you, which is kind of the more traditional way to do child's pose, but that doesn't always work in bed. So the next pose is the supported half frog pose. And again, this is going to be on your stomach. On the side that your face is turned towards, you're going to bring that leg out to a 90-degree angle, kind of with your knee bent basically, so there's not any tension anywhere in your leg. It's just kind of a comfortable, supported, bent position. You can also put a pillow under your leg or under your body if that's comfortable for you. Alright, so the third position is going to be reclining bound ankle pose. This pose is actually going to be on your back. You want to bend your knees and touch the bottoms of your feet together if you can. Again, do what's comfortable for you. And then you want to relax your arms either by your side or you can put them over your head. Alright, the fourth position is also going to be on our backs. And this is a position that you've probably done before if you've ever had a really bad stomach ache. On your back, you're going to bring your knees up to your chest. You want to kind of tuck your knees in with your arms. So you can either put your hands or your forearms on your shins, but it's just going to kind of support your legs so you're not straining anything to hold them up. Put your hands together if you want. Have a comfortable, loose grip and just relax and enjoy it. I don't know what else to say about this pose. It's pretty basic. So the last pose that I have for today is going to be a little bit different than the others. This one is going to require you moving around a little bit more. So basically you are going to lay on your back and you want to kind of scoot your body as close to a wall or to your headboard as you can. Position your body facing the wall, scoot yourself as close to the wall as you can, and then you want to bring your legs up directly on the wall with your back kind of on the ground. So this is going to put your legs kind of up at a 90-degree angle, 90-ish degree angle. You want to try to keep your heels stacked over your hips if you can, but again, this is a comfortable position that we're not doing yoga here, so do really whatever the hell you want. That didn't work. So that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that wonderful yoga demonstration by me, the yoga master. Actually, I'm just kidding. I've actually been doing yoga for like 13 years. So I hope that these are helpful for you if you are struggling with sleep at all. I mean, I kind of hope that you're not really struggling with sleep, but if you are, I hope that this helps. And again, you can find this information on my blog on simplecareproducts.com or follow me on Instagram at simplecaresteph. Please remember to like this video if you liked it so that I know if it was helpful to you, and please also subscribe. I don't know, do you guys want to see me do yoga? You want yoga tutorials? I don't know though, that might be fun. Alright, that's all for today. Have some other stuff to go do, so hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, I hope. Bye!